Hello! In the previous video, I showed you how to proceed quickly and easily in the preprocessing of raw data. Today, we will start where we left off in the last video. Remember, this tutorial is not about how to make a perfect picture, but about how to get to the result as quickly as possible. Let's do this. As the first process, I will select our GB working space, set all our GB values to 1. Click Global or F6. We will open the data. We will find it at the address we entered as the output directory, which was created for us by the wait batch preprocessing script. We will select the data with the ending drizzle to X autocrop. Two black images will open. The first is the clipping mask. We throw that away. The second is the one that interests us. Click on the STF auto process or use the keyboard shortcut Control-A. The image after stretching can be blue, green, or red. We can adjust this state as follows. Open the process screen transfer function. Click on the chain icon so that it is not in the frame. And then on auto stretch. Now the image is in color. Process a channel extraction. Split our GB image to separate our GB images. Click Apply or the F5 key. Process a star alignment, which will align these color channels according to the stars. Later I will show the difference. It is small, but still. As a reference, we will give the image with the ending our target images, mark the others with G and B. Click Apply Global or F6 key. The process will generate two new images G and B. We will throw away the original so that they do not confuse us. Channel combination process. We will assign the correct file to each color channel and again click Apply Global or F6 key. The process generates an RGB image, which will again be displayed black. We will use the function STF auto stretch or keyboard shortcut Control-A. Now we can compare the pictures, original and new. By aligning the color channels, we need to crop the edges. Use the Dama-May crop process to gently crop the edges and press Execute. Now I'll do the background gradient correction. Through the automatic background extraction process, we will set target image correction, subtraction. Click Apply or the F5 key. The process will create two new images for us, background correction image and resulting image, from which the background correction is subtracted. We have the result here. We are still in the linear part, so we'll use the STF auto stretch function again, or the keyboard shortcut Control-A. Let's compare the result. We can throw away the original image and we will keep the new one with the background removed. We will use a simple integrable process. The resample factor is set to 2. Click Apply or the F5 key. Followed by a blurksterminator process. Attention! Even before that, we invoke script render PSF image. Once done, we will be interested in these two values, FVHMX and FVHMY. We calculate the middle of these two values. We enter the result into blurksterminator PSF diameter pixels. Click Apply or the F5 key. Other settings mostly work fine. There comes a process by which we convert the image into a nonlinear state. Click Screen Transferfant. Click Histogram Transphonian. On the Screen Transferfant process, click on the instance triangle that. Drag the Histogram Transphonian to the bottom bar. Click Apply or the F5 key. The image should remain white. Click Reset on Histogram Transphonian. Click Reset Screen Transfer Function. Now we have the image in a nonlinear state. In Histogram Transphonian, click on Real-Time Preview and carefully cut the black point less than 0.1%. Click Apply or the F5 key. Click Reset. The blurksterminator process follows, works mostly well on preset values. The only thing you need to watch is that it is clicked. Generate star image. Click Apply or the F5 key. Blurksterminator detracted from the image of the star and transferred them to a new image. In the curves transform process, we turn on real-time preview and we set the curves. In the HDR multi-scale transform process, we set only one number of layers value. Change it to 8, and click Apply or the F5 key. In process, unsharpness works well for me. Setting STDD EV18 and amount 7. You can also click on real-time preview and use the sliders to set the value according to your wishes. Click Apply or the F5 key. The penultimate noise exterminator process. It works well for me at TIM was 68 and detail 30 for settings. You can also click on real-time preview and use the sliders to set the value according to your wishes. Click Apply or the F5 key. The pixel match process. For us, the star image and the main image will be combined into one, and we will do it as follows. Click Expression Editor. At the top right in Images, click on the first image, will appear in the upper left window. We add the plus sign. Click on the second image in Images and click OK. Click Destination. Click Create New Image. Click Apply or the F5 key. Here we are at the end of the second tutorial for fast processing of our data. Here we are at the end of the second tutorial for fast processing of our data.